decisions that you think, people forget about or skip or don't pay as much attention to early on that becomes a liability later on? What do you think that is?
This whole evolution is bringing a lot of new risks for enterprise, and every enterprise needs to think about and have a great risk assessment in place
Okay.
before they make technology decisions. Even for personal productivity, when you provide AI tools to your employees, how it is being used, having a viewpoint on that is very important. The whole IP creation, legal discovery, understanding, uh, what is being produced and what is being used in a business, understanding or evaluating all the variables that I mentioned earlier. There is also agent identity, as I mentioned. So there is a
Yep.
newer type of risks that are coming in place, and that's why whenever companies are thinking about what is the right technology I should be thinking about or using within this space. Of course, everyone wants to start using AI and start
Yep.
transforming. It is one of the top three priorities for every single company, every single CEO, whether it is within their product offering or service offering, or whether for them to operate more efficiently. It is definitely a number one priority for most organizations right now, and therefore not compromising on that aspect is very important. And that is why regulators are also taking their own time, because the breadth is so wide here. Is they want to make sure that there's a very more thoughtful view on this technology, understanding, as I mentioned, the evolution of the risk landscape, and then making sure that companies are focused in terms of mitigating those risks. One of the core steps and the first starting steps is understanding the type of technology that you're going to use, and the ability that it will provide you on the back end with the governance and the trust and the observability. At